All right, y'all. So this is second vacate. Second vacate. And this is bathroom number 1. Slide door. That's hard. That's hard. That's hard. Kitchen. I love that they have a burner in the kitchen. I can cook my own food. I don't have to go out. They got a little chandelier, TV, you know what I'm saying, with the couch and whatnot. Then they got the balcony. Whew. Go out on the balcony, enjoy that view in the morning. Come upstairs. Oh, shit. Boom. Bedroom. You need. How you turn this light on? I don't know, but TV up here. You know what I mean? Boom. When I wake up, you know what I'm saying? Hop in the shower down or in here. This shit is nice, man. Might stay here till Friday.